Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Forex market research video. My name is Alexander Nikitin, and in today's video I will do the market research for pound dollar. I will calculate the average distance of a pound dollar swings based on different algorithms, and I will calculate the average duration for that pair. Okay, let's go to MetaTrader. I already opened that pound dollar and downloaded the quotes. So my first quote is this one, January 4, 1999. Let's apply my super indicator that is called average swings, I suppose. And what I will do, I will enable the number that is 250,000 bars. My first algorithm will be 5 minute. Okay. Now it is calculated. So what we have on daily on 5 period is 45.37 and 14. So it is 45.47 and 14 bars. 14. Let me see if everything correct. 45.37. 45.37. Okay, so what you need to do, we need to go here and go to numbers and then do it this way. Okay, now it looks better. So this is the first daily time frame, period 5. The average swing is 453 and 7 decimals, and it takes 14 bars. Let's go to 4 hour and calculate the same. 1794 or 98 14. 1798 14. Again 14. If we switch to 1 hour, we have 83.6 13. 83.6 13. Then let's switch to 30 minute. It is 57.113. 57.113. Then let us switch to 15 minute, and we have 49.13. 49 and 13. Very fast. And then we go to 5 minute, it is 19.713. 19.713. Okay, now let's go inverse, switch to 10 period. Okay, so what we have, 5 minute, 28.027. Okay, switch to 15 minute. We have 59.227. 27. If we switch to 30 minute, it is 82.026. 26. If we switch to 60 minute, okay, it is 11.8926. 11.8926. Okay, now let's go to 4 hour. Let us go to 4 hour, and we have 26.9529. 26.9529. 29. Then go to daily. It is 68.9729. 29. Wonderful. Okay, so let's calculate the algorithm period 15. And just switch to 15, and we will see what happens. Okay, so on daily we have 80, 54, 43, 80, 54, 43 candles. And then we go to 4 hour, and on 4 hour we have 33, 13, 44. Okay, then we go to 1 hour. You see the ratio 2, 1.5, 2, 1.5, 2, and so on. They coincide. It is very strange. If we go to 1 hour, we have 1466, 38. 1466, 38. Okay. If we go to 30 minutes, on 30 minutes we have 10, 18, 39. 39. Okay. Then we go to 15 minutes. On a 15-minute period we have 73, 4, 41. 41. And lastly we go to 5 minutes. So we have 34, 9, 41. 34, 9. What is it? 41? 41. Okay, now we switch to 20 minutes. Sorry, to 20 period. And go backwards. So we have 42, 0, 56. 56. And then we go to 15-minute time frame, and we have 86, 1, 55, 86, 1, 55. Okay, then we go to 30 minutes, and we have 1179, 52, 52. Then we go to 60 minutes, and we have 1792, 55, 1792, and it is 55. Then we go to 4 hour, 4 hour, and it is 3779, 59, 3779. 59. Wonderful. If we go to daily, we have it this way. Okay, 96, 35, 60. 96, 35, 60. Okay, let's go back. Period 25. Period 25 is this big. It is 1076, 8, 78. 1076, 8. And what is it? 78. Okay, wonderful. If we go to 4 hour, we have 42, 54, 74. 42, 54, 74. 74. Then we go to 1 hour. We have 21, 03, 75. Perfect. Then we go to this 30 minutes. Okay, so what I'm doing, should refresh it. We have 13, 22, 64. 13, 22, 64. Okay, then we go to what, 15 minute, and we have 97,369, 97,369, 69. Okay, let's go to 5 minute, 5 minute, and we have 46,171. Okay, I will code these numbers and we'll pause the video, and once it is done I will continue and we'll try to perform some kind of analysis based on this information. Okay, now the script is done. It can run on pound dollar as well as on euro dollar. And let's perform the analysis. Switch the indicator to 5 period. We have it right now. So what we have right now is kind of similar to what we had on euro dollar, and we have a correction if compared to previous movement. Let's apply the script, not this way. So the correction started here. We should sign that it is a bull correction period 5, and it draws a horizontal line as potential termination for that correction. So we have still some space to the upside. What's next? Let's analyze it from a 10 period perspective. Again, we have a correction, so let's go to this average move, going to bull correction period 10, and we have a bearish correction terminating slightly higher. Next, let's analyze this from 15 period angle, 15 period perspective, and again we have a correction, and what we need to do, just stretch it here, and it is a bull correction period 15. So what we have the third line that terminates here. It doesn't tell us much, it only says that we are in a bearish correction. Oh no, this third one is not a correction. Sorry, we are in an impulse. We didn't start any correction yet, we are in an impulse, so we only can calculate the end of this impulse. So we go to our average move, we go here, we go bear impulse period 15. So we'll calculate the termination point of that impulse, and it goes all the way down. Okay, so we have that bearish momentum, but still we have some space to the upside. Nothing stops us, nothing prevents us from moving higher a bit, slightly a bit, no conflict. Overall picture is bearish, but we can have some upside bounce. Well, let's switch to 1 hour to see what we can find here, and let us start from 5 period perspective. So what do we have on 5 period perspective? We have an impulse to the downside, and you see it looks like a pattern already, an impulse to the downside. So what I should do, I should stretch it from here to here. It is a bear impulse to the downside period 5, and the termination for that impulse, it can stretch all the way to the downside. So this is the downside impulse period 5. I think I calculated something wrong. 1107 and impulse 1107, 1108. Yes, it is an impulse to the downside. So on 5 period we still can go lower. If we are retracing, we still can retrace here before moving higher, based on 1 hour. Okay, let us switch to some other algorithm, to 10, and let us see what it tells. Okay, the 10 period algorithm says that we have a correction, and the correction should be what? Correction should be this. Oh, sorry, wrong place. Okay, and it is a bear correction period 10. So the correction should terminate here in the bottom of that. And let us switch to period 15, and it will tell us another projection, average move. Again we'll have a correction. It is bear correction period 15, and it tells me that the correction should go past this previous movement. Okay, so it will turn into an impulse, but as we have a correction right now, it should go all the way here. Okay, so what do we have? We have this kind of zone for price to hit. If it hits that zone, then we have a very good probability for price to move higher, to test these levels, this or that. Okay, and then resume the downtrend. So this is the overall picture that I have based on this kind of analysis. Okay guys, and if you like this type of analysis, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. As usual, type your comments. If you already have some other calculations similar to this on average collections, share your ideas in comments as well. And until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.